Greetings. My name is Dave Peck. I'm Vice President Exploration and Business Development for Grid Metals Corporation. We trade on the TSX under the ticker GRDM. We'll provide an update today on our recent drilling program at East Bow Lake, located 80 kilometers west of the city of Sudbury in Ontario. This map shows anomalous samples collected either from grab samples from surface outcrops or from shallow drilling in the East Bow Lake complex. The outline and the intrusion in yellow, it shows a 20 kilometer or so east-west feature, and with a lot of the mineralization hugging the south margin and a little bit on the north. We've had time to digest a lot of historical data and integrate it with a new survey. We're quite hopeful and optimistic that would lead us to thicker and higher grade, more continuous mineralization than what we've been able to see so far. The method is called magnetotellurics, and it detects resistivity changes in the Earth's crust to significant depths. We developed several targets from the results of this survey. We focused initially on the Parisian Lake area in the center of the complex. Two anomalous areas were tested, the Kid Zone and the feeder target, and I'll show you some results from both those areas here. We completed 7 drill holes, totaling 2,300 meters approximately. We did 6 holes on the western side of the feeder target. This map is the resistivity color contoured, and you can see the very strong anomaly just to the east of where we drilled. This area was easily accessible, and we wanted proof of concept before we went to the effort and cost of putting in long drill roads to get to the center of the anomaly. And we also tested one anomaly in the Kidd area, the known trend of historical palladium mineralization, and we've got some interesting results to report from both areas. So both are magnetotelluric or resistivity anomalies. The feeder target was never drilled before. We did find significant widths of anomalous PG in both areas, with some local high-grade samples up to 3.6 grams per ton combined. So encouraging. Some highlights, and you can see the full listing of the results. For the first 5 holes, we don't have results for holes 6 and 7 yet on our press release. Again, up to 36 meters, very broad intervals of anomalous PGs, up to half a gram combined, and multiple samples over a gram of palladium. And our best sort of results were from hole 2 and hole 5, 2 from the Kid Zone, 5 from the feeder zone. And again, encouraging, not the the big score that we were hoping to get on the first program, but the results are telling us that we're in the right place, that the method is working, and now we're going to be using 3D modeling and integrating all of the historical data with the new results to vector to areas of higher grade and thicker mineralization. So we will be going back later in this month to resume drilling. In the Parisian Lake area, we'll follow up on the feeder target and on the Kidd target. Some proposed holes shown on this map in the green stars, and also a new area called the Twin Towers, which is also a strong resistivity anomaly. It's never been drilled, and it's got associated surface outcropping palladium mineralization. Another area in the west lobe again of the intrusion called the North Margin target. Here's a 2D section showing the resistivity anomaly in profile and the holes planned there. We've got a couple to test this near surface anomaly. Again, although there's less sampling up here, there is anomalous palladium at surface, including some +1 gram samples. And then in the final area that we'll probably get to this year, the east lobe, we've again focused on the resistivity lows, these highly bright colored anomalies shown on the map on the right. And 3 or 4 holes will be drilled here. Again, known surface mineralization here. A few shallow drill holes have tested the north part of the area and intersected significant thicknesses of anomalous palladium. Certainly not what we're looking for, but very encouraging. And so we'll be going back armed with these new targets and testing some new target areas in the East Lobe. Just in closing then, we've got encouraging results from the initial phase of drilling. We have broad zones of anomalous PG and copper nickel in 2 areas within the Parisian Lake target area. Local high grades have been encountered. We've validated the geophysical targeting method. The next program will include testing of several new target areas, but we will also follow up on the Parisian Lake results on the feeder target, testing the strongest part of that anomaly. Please contact us at info@gridmetals.corp.com for additional information. Thank you.